Hello, I'm back again. Let's have a look at the answers. So, O2, so oxygen, symbol O, number of atoms in a molecule 2, so it's O2. Hydrogen, symbol H, number of atoms in the molecule 2, formula H2. Neon, number of atoms in a molecule just 1, so the formula is the same as the symbol Ne. And chlorine, number of atoms in a molecule of chlorine is 2, so it's Cl2. Remember, when you've got two letters in a symbol, the second letter is always a small letter. First one is always a big letter, capital letter. Second one's always a small letter. So it's big C, little l, little 2. Okay, let's move on and have a look at some compounds. So we know how we can give elements their formula. How can we give compounds their formula? Remembering again, compounds contain 2 or more different types of atom. Okay, so water, posh name for water is actually dihydrogen monoxide. So next time you're offering somebody a glass of water, you can ask them if they would like a glass of dihydrogen monoxide. So it's a compound, okay, and every water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms joined to 1 oxygen atom. And that's what this picture shows here. We've got a hydrogen, and it's joined to an oxygen, okay? So we've got 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So this is how we write the formula. H2O. So there are 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. I'm just going to have to pause here. Look, I really, really, really need to do my nails. Isn't that disgraceful? Girls, I am sorry. I've let you down. I'll do it before next time. So that's water. 2 molecules of hydrogen for 2 atoms of hydrogen for 1 atom of oxygen. That means that it's H2O. That's the formula, H2O. Okay, carbon dioxide, another one. So carbon dioxide is a compound. Each molecule of carbon dioxide has got 2 oxygen atoms joined to 1 carbon atom. That's how we draw it. We've got 2 oxygen atoms and 1 carbon atom in the middle. So the formula is C for carbon, O for oxygen, and small 2, telling you there are 2 oxygen atoms and 1 carbon atom. Okay, this bit's really, really important. If you look at where this 2 is, okay? So the number is always subscript. That's just posh for saying little and lower. See how I've drawn this here? The number goes a little bit below the line that the letters are on, and it's smaller, okay? And it always follows the element that it is telling you about. So this 2 is telling you about this H, this hydrogen here. And what it is telling you is that there are 2 hydrogens for every oxygen, okay? So the 2 follows the letter that it's talking about, follows the element it's talking about. Same thing if we look at CO2, okay? C, there's no letter following that, so there's only 1 atom of carbon. But oxygen, there's a letter following it, and that is 2. So that is telling you that there are 2 atoms of oxygen in carbon dioxide. And this can be 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, but just in these examples, it's 2. So there are 2 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of carbon in carbon dioxide. Okay, that's just a bit of animation I put in there that I didn't use. Right, so we're going to have a look at some formula now. So to complete this practice task and the actual task that you're going to have to do as a quiz, you're going to need the periodic table, okay? Because you're going to need the periodic table to find out what the names of the elements are that you'll see. Let me give you an example of that now. I've put in a periodic table into your PowerPoint, so you should be able to use that. So this is a formula, okay? What I want you to do with this is just tell me how many atoms there are of each element, okay? So what you need to do is you need to find out what element this is. So the symbol Li stands for what element, and then you need to find out what the symbol O stands for, and then you need to work out how many atoms of lithium there are, I've just told you, and how many atoms of oxygen there are. So Li is lithium, O is oxygen. So there are 2 atoms of lithium. Remember, the number follows the atom it's talking about. So there are 2 atoms of lithium and 1 atom of oxygen. So 2 atoms of lithium and 1 atom of oxygen. Okay, so let's go through a couple more of these. So NaNO3. So again, you're going to use your periodic table. You're going to find out what these symbols stand for, and then you're going to work out how many of each element there are, how many atoms of each element there are. So Na is for sodium, so we've got 1 atom of sodium. N stands for nitrogen, so we've got 1 atom of nitrogen. Arrow's going to the wrong place, it should be going to the green. And we have got 3 atoms of oxygen, because the 3 follows the element that it's talking about. Okay, so 3 atoms of oxygen. Okay, there are about 3 more examples, I think, on the PowerPoint. Go through those, and then using those rules, have a go at doing the task. And remember, you can message me whenever you like if you've got any problems at all. Okay, so have a read through the PowerPoint, which I've included as well. Maybe have a listen to me going on about this again. Okay, good luck. You're doing a really, really good job, guys, doing this at home without me. I'm really, really impressed by you. I hope this video helps. Give me a thumbs up if it does. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.